Hello everyone, myself Pankaj. Welcome to Being Fishco. In this video, we will talk about informations related to ICR 93rd Foundation Day 2021. So let's start. First of all, this is 93rd Foundation Day of ICR, going to be held at Krishi Bhavan, New Delhi. It will be live on their official YouTube channel, that is ICR. So you can watch it from there. And let's go through the information related to ICR 93rd Foundation Day. First of all, ICR full form is Indian Council of Agriculture Research. This is their official logo of ICR. Motto is Agri Search with a Human Touch. Established on 16 July 1929. President of ICR is Minister of Agriculture, that is Shri Narendra Singh Tomar. Director of ICR Shri Trilochan Mohapatra. Location of ICR headquarter is New Delhi, India. Website is icr.gov.in. Milestones of ICR include: in 2006, ICR developed vaccine against bird flu. In 2010, two flagship journals. In 2011, first to sequence pigeon pea genome. In 2019, they launched mobile app Kisan. Then they also provide accreditation to several institutes. ICR provides accreditation to agriculture universities, colleges and programs through National Agriculture Education Accreditation Board, that is NAEAB, National Agriculture Education Accreditation Board. Then institutes under ICR includes 4 deemed universities, 65 ICR institutes, 14 national research centers, 6 national bureaus, 13 directorates and research directorates and project directorates. So let's go through the institutes. So first of all, ICR IERI, this is their official building of ICR IERI. Then next, ICR CIFRI, that is Central Inland Fishery Research Institute. Next is ICR CMFRI, Central Marine Fishery Research Institute. Next is ICR SIBA, Central Institute for Brackish Water Aquaculture. Next is ICR SIFA, Central Institute for Freshwater Aquaculture. Next is ICR CIFE, Mumbai, that is Central Institute for Fisheries Education. So coming to the award section that ICR provides on 93rd Foundation Day or any foundation day, ICR used to give awards to the young fellows or researchers or scientists. So awards includes Chaudhary Devilal Outstanding All India Coordinated Research Project Award, then Jawaharlal Nehru Award for Outstanding Doctoral Thesis Research, and Lal Bahadur Shastri Young Scientist Award. There are several more awards that are awarded by ICR to the young scientists, researchers and the doctorals. So I have not mentioned all the awards. So for more detail, you can check their official website of ICR. I have provided some important awards. Okay, so thank you. This was the all about information about 93rd Foundation Day of ICR and information about ICR. Thanks for your patience. Keep sharing the video. मिलते हैं next video में. Till then, stay safe.